gala-gala pag may time. And of course, while looking for something, nandito tayo sa may Central, guys. It's first time to come here na. See, ang ganda dito, guys. Napakaganda. And I hope you like the view also. Let me, punta tayo. Mag-vlog tayo. Sasama ko kayo sa Central. There you go. See, ang ganda ng decoration dito, guys. Alam nyo. Yeah. Ang ganda-ganda dito, guys. I'm here in Henderson Plaza. It's so good, guys. Ang lalaking building, ang beautiful places everywhere here in Central. Dito tayo gala-gala, guys. Look at this. Ang ganda, guys. Diba? Tat nyo to, diba? Oh, kaganda-ganda, guys. And I love it. There you go. It's a really very huge building, guys. Ito, masabi ko lang, ang ganda ng view dito. We are here in Henderson Plaza. Alam mo, nagbibisi ang mga tao dito. Busy viewing, busy talking, busy eating. Everywhere is busy. Mga kababayan, good afternoon to all of you all over the universe. Especially to all Nueva Vizcayanos. Iiting na naman tayo dito, but just our natural color. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda dito, guys. Sama-sama tayo, guys. Diba? Ang ganda dito. Hello, everyone. Please also, kung sino ka man, magpapansin ka at ipapasyal ko kayo dito sa garden ni Henderson, guys, in Central. Ang ganda, guys. Ngayon lang ako napunta dito. Look at this. Look at that. And here's the waterfall. Anong tawag nito? What's the tower of this one? Ano ba ang pangalan nito? Can you just tell me what's the name of this one? Hindi ko nga rin alam ito. Kaganda, right? Can you tell me, please? Anong pangalan nito? Ito na to. Ang ingay din kaya dito. Can you just show me and tell me? Anong pangalan nitong fountain ba to? Is this a fountain water or anything, guys? Wow, look at that. Yan ang hinihintay ni Lola. It's waterfall. Right, kaganda, guys. Diba? And then, pwede rin tayong papasok sa loob. Diba, guys? Kaganda. Ito ang hinihintay ko. Guys. I'm going to run after that. Saya, guys. Try nyo rin. You haven't tried it once, try it yourself, guys. Diba? Ang saya dito, guys. Try nyo rin. Ang saya, And the waterfalls only, I think every 30 minutes or 15 minutes. I was here around 10 minutes ago. 2 pesos na itong nag-fall ng water. Kaya ang ganda, guys. It's really good. Very, very good life. See? Waterfalls, guys. Anong gusto nyo? Wow! Ganda-ganda, guys. Ito ang sinasabing waterfalls. Oh, ganyan lang sana. Oh my God, kung sino ka man, if you're learning. This is supposed to be waterfalls. Not a very huge one with the stone, guys. Stone ng ulo. My God, this is called waterfalls, guys. Diba kaganda? Ang saya-saya. Napakasaya, guys. So, hope everybody's happy here. Happy tayo ng lahat. Diba? Okay, that's all for today's vlog. Hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to like, follow, and comment below. I love you all. See you later. And then dito pala, hindi ko nakita. And ang saya-saya guys. Hope you like and enjoy watching my YouTube channel. And then, an FB channel guys. Ang saya ko kaya dito ngayon. First time na punta ako ng Central. Ito, waterfalls guys. Ang saya. Ay, napagod akong tumakbo. Hope you guys watching and enjoy watching talaga. And please don't forget to like, share, and follow. And comment too. See you later. Bye!